I have a daughter and I'm pregnant and I had to get rid of the child because turned out कि कोई लड़की I don't. So I realized कि एक issue है. That time I even had a Priyanka Chopra was there walking. There was even Preeti Zinta, lot of them and Rohit Roy. But I remember उसके बाद जब इनकी कई मैंने interviews देखी या schools गए अपने बच्चों के पूछा कि आप क्या cause close to your heart. They said female feticide. And इस साल एक लड़की है सोनाली मुखर्जी who's gone to the president euthanasia. She's an acid victim. Rehabilitation, खाना पीना रहना surgeries everything करके 22 लाख का बिल आया. आप मानोगे नहीं, I flew back to Bombay. 24 घंटे में 12 लाख इकट्ठा हो गया था. But there was this thing that women are meant to be married.
Yeah.
And they're meant to run homes and they're meant to cook and clean, but not today. I think it's time to educate boys. Because they are all being brought up terribly. That is a very अजीब चीज. Happy Women's Day एक दिन उठा के 10 साल में Happy Women's Day. Nah. I'm telling you honestly, I've never thought of it as a one-day event. This is 22nd of March. We're doing the fashion show again at the in Bombay, and I have 92 people walking from the industry. आप सबको देखोगे, आप सबको पहचानोगे.
Hi, this is Rangili Ruchi and you are watching the Super Womania Show. और आज मेरे साथ में एक ऐसी सुपर वुमनिया है जिनसे मैं जब भी मिलती हूँ ना तो मुझे बड़ा इंस्पायर करती हैं. और ये इंस्पायर मुझे सिर्फ जो अपनी जिंदगी में प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में कर रही है उससे नहीं करती हैं. ये जैसी हैं मुझे ये उससे भी इंस्पायर करती है. जस्ट द वे शी इज आई थिंक इंस्पायर्स मी टू बी बेटर, बी इट स्किन केयर और बी इट द वे शी ड्रेसेस और बी इट द वे हाउ शी इज ऑलवेज हैप्पी एंड cheerful and brings a positive vibe with herself. I'm talking about Anu Ranjan. एक बार फिर से मेरे साथ यहाँ स्टूडियो में. वेलकम.
Thank you, Rangili Ruchi.
I'm so happy to have you here. मैं ये मानती हूँ कि some women build platforms and some bring about movements. और आप एक ऐसी सुपर वुमनिया हैं जो कि दोनों करती हैं. Co-founder of the Indian Television Academy and उसी के साथ में the force behind बेटी movement जिन्होंने 5000 से ज़्यादा लड़कियों को empower किया है with education, with care, with dignity. A woman of purpose and impact. It is Anu Ranjan.
Thank you so much.
हम अभी यहाँ पर विमेंस मंथ में स्पेशली मिले हैं बिकॉज बेटी मूवमेंट जो है वो आपका ये जो फाउंडेशन है ये कुछ खास करता है हर साल. और वो सिर्फ विमेंस डे पर नहीं करता है, पूरे साल करता रहता है. And there is a special event that's happening.
Yes.
It's the fashion show.
Yes.
So बताइए मुझे सबसे पहले उसके बारे में.
ये क्या है, बेटी का 20th year है this year.
20th year.
Yeah, we started off February 4th, 2006. और आपको बताऊं कैसे शुरू हुआ है?
Please बताइए.
Which is क्या हुआ कि my sister Tanu used to photography for the UNFPA, United Nations के लिए she used to do a lot of photography. तो मेरी एक बारी मेरी Women Achievers Award दिल्ली में थे.
Okay.
And there पूरी यूएन की टीम थी वहाँ पे बिकॉज फोटोग्राफी ये कर रही थी एंड बिग बिग पोस्टर्स एंड सपोर्टिंग फीमेल फीटिसाइड.
Okay.
तो शी केम टू मी, शी सेड कि दे वांट टू टॉक टू यू एंड फीमेल फीटिसाइड कैन यू सपोर्ट. सच्ची बात पूछो मेरे को नहीं पता था वो क्या था एट दैट टाइम. जैसे फीमेल फीटिसाइड है कि लड़की का रेशियो 800 कुछ है, 1836 या 8 some
over
such number, over 1000 boys,
Yeah.
especially in Mumbai and Delhi and all these very, very extremely wealthy and upper market.
Really?
Literally.
I thought this was like in some
No, not gown
rural
and
areas.
no. They said सबसे ज़्यादा बॉम्बे दिल्ली में. और बॉम्बे में साउथ बॉम्बे एक हॉस्पिटल का नाम बताया which obviously I can't give. And in Delhi they told me these are the two hospitals if you go, लड़कियाँ यहाँ पैदा ही नहीं होती. And they were all that. I said कि यार हो नहीं सकता. मेरी 2 बेटियाँ हैं and I don't mind 5 more. I mean, it's literally like that. So I said, चलो ठीक है, this will you do this? I said, okay, I'll let you know. कहानी खत्म हो गई. तो एक दिन I was sitting in my where I live with a whole bunch of girls there, and one of them started talking that I have a son and I have a daughter and I'm pregnant and I had to get rid of the child. तो I said, हुआ क्या?
God.
Because turned out कि कोई लड़की I don't. So I realized कि वो लोग झूठ नहीं बोल रहे थे. ये सच्ची मुच्ची एक इशू है बिकॉज इट्स द अपर स्ट्राटा, मतलब जिनको लड़कियां नहीं चाहिए. आई फाउंड इट वेरी ऑड बट
Yeah, it is odd because again
वेरी ऑड.
सोचते हम यही आए हैं कि it is in a different kind of an income group और
दिमाग में वो है बट नो, बट दैट इज हाउ
सब जगह है.
सब जगह है. तो I called up Delhi. The director थी ईना सिंह.
अच्छा.
I immediately called her up. I said, Ina, I'll do. Tell me what you want. कहती, we just want कि awareness अगर आप create कर सको कि लड़कियों का ratio हमारे देश में बहुत ही imbalance हो रहा है with boys. So I remember that first day I said, चलो I'll get the industry to talk. So I remember doing a fashion show because fashion show से क्या कि everybody comes, everybody there, everybody supporting a cause. पीछे नाम ही एक नहीं है, आपके पास 50-60
और
लोग.
eyeballs मिलते हैं ना ऐसे.
Eyeball and all these people go out and talk, and at that time I had a lot of people, and I remember at that time I even had a Priyanka Chopra was there walking. There was even Preeti Zinta, lot of them, and Rohit Roy. But I remember उसके बाद जब इनकी कई मैंने इंटरव्यूज देखी या स्कूल्स गए अपने बच्चों के पूछा कि आप क्या cause close to your heart, they said female feticide, and the word spread. I remember I got articles in all the main lines that female feticide blah blah blah. Cut to, I was once called by UNFPA in Delhi to show that the ratio in the last 2 to 3 years had actually improved.
Wow.
They said कि 903 तक पहुंचा था, अभी तो I think 913 हो गया है, some such number. But literally I realized they said it has made a very big difference.
Yeah.
So when people see their, their idols, icons, जो भी हम बोलते हैं, they started following and कहते हैं अगर उनको उनके लिए ठीक है हमारे लिए भी ठीक है. You know how the whole thing works. So it turned out to be brilliant. Then I realized कि ये तो मतलब perfect है.
Yeah.
And it's making a difference. One day in this process I get a call from Rahul Kanwal and इसका एक लड़की है Sonali Mukherjee who's gone to the president, euthanasia. She's an acid victim.
Oh God.
So she wants to kill herself because there's nothing left in life and she's been struggling for 4 years, 3 years, 5 years. Can you help her? Rehabilitation, खाना पीना, रहना, surgeries, everything करके 22 लाख का बिल आया.
Oh God.
He will take care of her now till she's okay. 22 लाख. अब मानोगे नहीं, I flew back to Bombay. 24 घंटे में 12 लाख इकट्ठा हो गया था.
क्या बात
I
है.
had people like Ronit Roy, everybody,
From
whoever I
industry.
called, some industry. सबने चेक्स दिए, दिल्ली भेजा, पूरा उसका हॉस्पिटल was taken care of, खाना पीना, रिहैबिलिटेशन, माँ बाप हॉस्पिटल में रहना, all.
Wow. So
So
good.
I realized that if you reach out, नहीं तो लोगों को ये नहीं समझ आता कि हम पैसा कहाँ दे पर देना चाहते हैं. अगर you tell them कि this is real, this is genuine, हुआ. उसके बाद कहानी क्या हुई, एक दिन सोनाली का फोन आया कि मैम एक लड़का है मेरे पीछे पड़ा हुआ है. तो मैंने बोला शी इज ब्लाइंड, शी कुडंट सी. शी से मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़ा है, आई डोंट नो. किसी बट हर रोज फोन आता है, कहते मैं तुमको मिलना चाहता हूँ, मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. शी इज वेरी अपसेट, मैम जिससे मैं लग रही हूँ मेरे से कौन प्यार करेगा. ऐसे सोनाली आई डोंट नो. वन डे शी कॉल्ड, उसका नाम है चितरंजन, ही वांट्स टू मैरी मी.
So nice.
सो आई सेड, वो कहते आप मिलोगे? आई सेड या. सो आई मेट चितरंजन. ही सेड मेरा मकसद लाइफ में है, आई हैव कम ऑन दिस अर्थ टू टेक केयर एंड टू डू फॉर अदर्स.
Yeah. And to marry her.
And he married her. He married her.
So nice.
And जब शादी हुआ, I got them to Bombay, made them stay at JW Marriott. पूरी इंडस्ट्री को एक लंच पे बुलाया, गिफ्ट किसी ने बर्तन दिए, किसी ने क्रॉकरी दी, मतलब
How nice.
So-
this is the beauty, of what you do. पता भी नहीं चलता है कि कुछ इतना बड़ा कर दिया, because for you it is just like अरे सब साथ आए, दोस्त यार मिले, we did it.
Yeah.
But you are really moving mountains.
But I don't know, but it was very sweet of see, I feel alone not possible, but everybody was there, you know what I mean? So शादी हो गई. इसकी एक छोटी सी conclusion. She's had a daughter Pari.
Oh my
and whatever,
God.
and now children, and she's married, and the man is still married to her. फिर education का शुरू हुआ. फिर इन स्कूल में मैं मिली, फिर शुरू हुआ with 100 बच्चे, फिर 200, फिर 400, आज 5,000 से ऊपर हम पढ़ा चुके हैं.
5,000 से ज्यादा बेटियों को आप पढ़ा चुके हैं.
एंड
Wow.
अभी जो भी है, जितना भी है, वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 to 11. बट आई डोंट टेक मोर चिल्ड्रन जिससे ज्यादा पैसा. अभी दैट्स व्हाई एवरी ईयर इकट्ठा करो पैसा. अब मेरे पास समझो 10 रुपए है, तो मैं 10 रुपए का ही प्रॉमिस करूंगी. You know what I mean? I don't go over and above that.
Also, you want to do justice to everybody's education.
Yes.
There might be some certain needs, या कोई बहुत
Right.
अच्छा है तो उसको और support करना है. So you need
तो
to have
इसलिए
that
आज
kind of
बच्चे जो
funds.
आए हुए स्कूल से, दे आर ऑल डूइंग वेल. और कोई ग्रेजुएट भी हो चुके हैं, कोई GST ऑफिसर, MBS कर रहे हैं, डॉक्टरिंग कर रहे हैं. मतलब दे वर जस्ट गिवन अ मौका.
हाँ ना.
क्योंकि मौका नहीं था. वो कह रहे थे हम 3 लड़कियां, बच्चे घर में, मम्मी पापा के पास पैसा ही नहीं था. सो somehow I feel I don't feel कि ये tell you the truth, I feel people believe me and give it to me. I feel कि मेरा फोन February March में लोगों ने बंद कर दिया लेना because I feel कि फिर पैसे मांगने के लिए
कुछ भी
करने के लिए, but it has made a difference in a very छोटू small अपना way.
yeah
So that is बेटी की कहानी. और अभी and every year I do fashion shows. Now more and more people join. This is 22nd of March. We're doing the fashion show again at the in Bombay, and I have 92 people walking from the industry. आप सबको देखोगे, आप सबको पहचानोगे. All are good. And Rangili, Ruchi and Rohini are walking for us.
yes I'm walking with my daughter for the first time. I'm so
sweet.
excited about
That's why I've got a
it.
lot of mother-daughter, father-daughter. We've got that also. We've got some siblings and then a lot of individual on-screen couples, off-screen couples. So मतलब करके whoever has said yes, it's just a feeling that because then they start talking about बेटी.
Yeah.
तो मतलब यहाँ 100 लोग हैं, फिर उनके 100 और उनके 100 and that's how the word.
पर्सनल कनेक्शन एक वो बन जाता है, चाहे आपका आईटीए रहा हो जिसके 25 साल हमने अभी सेलिब्रेट किए थे,
Yes.
चाहे बेटी मूवमेंट हो
20
जिसके
साल.
20 साल हो गए हैं. आई थिंक पीपल आर विद यू थ्रू आउट योर बिग जर्नी इज बिकॉज वो पर्सनल कनेक्शन बनता है. बट अभी आपने मुझे कहानी बताई, बेटी मूवमेंट कहाँ से शुरू हुआ और वो आसपास के फैक्टर्स थे जिसने आपको मूव किया. बट आई पर्सनली ऑलवेज फील दैट कभी आप जब इतना बड़ा कुछ कर रहे होते हैं ना, तो एक कुछ पर्सनल पेन पॉइंट भी होता है.
अच्छा, मेरे माँ बाप ने आई स्टडीड इन बोर्डिंग स्कूल इन शिमला. उसके बाद आई मूव टू लॉस एंजलिस. वहाँ पे काम करना, ये करना, अपने आप अपना बिस्तरा बनाना, अपने अपना खाना बनाना. सो आई एम यूज्ड टू एवरीथिंग ऑन माय ओन. सो आई नेवर फेल्ट कि I felt that women have it as well as men have it. Okay, let's put it at that.
Okay.
I feel कि मौका मिलना चाहिए. My parents believed in me. Said, okay, do what you. Shashi believes in me. He said, okay, do what you want. So nobody ever stopped me. So I realized कि if given opportunity और आप करो जो आप कर सकते हो, आपको कोई रोकेगा नहीं. There's no stopping.
बिल्कुल.
Sky is the limit.
ये मुझे लगता है कि इट डजंट कम फ्रॉम द क्लोजेस्ट फैमिली. जैसे मैं और मेरी बहन, वी आर टू सिस्टर्स, एंड इट नेवर केम फ्रॉम आवर पेरेंट्स कि तुम दो लड़कियां हो.
Right.
बट इट केम फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश, जहां पर बहुत समय लगा टू कम टू द लेवल वेयर आई थिंक मुंबई ऑलरेडी वाज इन द 90s. बट 90s में जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे, हमें तो बहुत सुनने को मिल जाता था कि अच्छा दो छोरियां हो, वो वहां पे वो लैंग्वेज में बात करना, तो दो छोरियां हो, दो लड़कियां हो, भाई नहीं है क्या. एंड एज मच एज आवर पेरेंट्स नेवर मेड अस फील लाइक दैट, हमें सोसाइटी फील करा.
आउटसाइड हमारा खाली एक था कि बाय मदर सेइंग, बेटा सबकी शादी हो गई, तेरी शादी नहीं हुई, कोई कुकिंग सीख गया, अरे मम्मी छोड़ दो. आई रीच अ स्टेज कैसे मम्मा, पहला बंदा जो घुसेगा इस कमरे के अंदर ना, आई विल से यस टू. I got so fed up because everybody, all my friends were married at 18, 19, 20.
God.
I though ran away. I got married much later. But there was this thing that women are meant to be married.
Yeah.
And they're meant to run homes and they're meant to cook and clean, but not today.
Yeah.
Today I think there are a lot of negative also in the sense ke at par and a lot of positive, but you got to live with it.
But you're doing all of it, right?
Yeah,
It's not that when you decided कि अब मुझे घर भी संभालना है, तो आपने घर नहीं संभाला, आपने घर भी संभाला.
Yes,
You had a
yes,
family, you had
yes,
your children, you had a
yes,
business,
yes.
and you have this whole philanthropy side to yourself also,
Yes.
social work also. So you're
Yes.
doing it all.
I'll tell you another thing. अभी बेटी के लिए we're educating girls. Last year I decided I think it's time to educate boys because they are all being brought up terribly. The girls are moving on. The guys are the ones who are impeding, stopping the behavior pattern. It shouldn't happen. It's happened with some of our friends. I mean, somebody very close to me, daughter got married, beautiful wedding, one of those heavy duty moneyed people. She came back beaten. Beaten matlab beaten to a level that you would cry and I would cry.
Oh God.
So tell me one thing, don't these guys need to be told? No. So somewhere I feel now that education at that level, instead of them being told everything is okay, needs to be told no. It doesn't work like that. So somehow I feel that sooner, maybe this year, depends how or next how we get money or what it is. I have to take a bunch of boys and start getting them from scratch to say, okay, start feeling, respecting, loving, caring all the women in your life.
इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस बढ़ानी उसमें ज्यादा जरूरी है. मुझे लगता है
Absolutely.
कि हम women को पावरफुल और empowered बना रहे हैं, बट men को accepting नहीं बना
नहीं
रहे
करे.
हैं.
अच्छा, उनकी मम्मियों के फॉल्ट है यार. I've realized most of them, मेरा बेटा ये नहीं करेगा, मेरा बेटा ये नहीं करेगा, मेरा बेटा बैठो इधर पुच्चू पुच्चू गुच्चू फुच्चू nonsense. I feel, and I'm being serious. It's not just for the sake of saying this. It's nothing. It's a fact.
राजा बेटा.
It's a fact.
राजा बेटा सिंड्रोम.
Yeah, it is like, you know, one child, मतलब ये मेरा बेटा ये वो करे, it doesn't work.
Yeah.
And the minute that stops, na, there'll be happiness. There'll be happiness. All these young girls who, with stars in the eyes, fall in love, get married. I mean, they say, okay, this is it. There'll be so much of it. It's not there because the guys are so bound by contract, obligation, whatever the word is, with their moms. That they feel that we owe it, and the moms have to stop, man.
They say there's an invisible umbilical cord.
हाँ, काटो.
जो राजा बेटा काटते नहीं है.
वही तो हम तो यही बोलते थे. How many of my friends, शशि says, काट इसको भाई, मतलब बहुत हो चुका है. Let him be, let him do what he has to.
You're absolutely right, because ये हम अपनी बेटियों को ना अब सिखा रहे हैं.
Yeah, इनको भी
We are
बच्चों को
letting
भी.
them be,
Yeah, yeah.
but we are not letting the boys be.
No, we have somewhere we have to start, and hopefully I can, depending on how
Yeah.
it goes. I am going to. Like I've told the teachers and principals who are here today that very soon मुझे लड़कों की भी थोड़ी लिस्ट दो.
हाँ.
मुझे दीजिए कितने बच्चे हैं, कितनी लड़की हैं. Maybe we can start teaching them from first standard to say, beta, this is it. And I told them, I said, once a week, you want teachers, you want me to send someone to give that kind of a class. We'll work on it.
Yeah, correct.
I said, let somebody come and talk to them once a month in the whole hall for everybody to say,
Equality.
this is how it is. This
Yeah.
is it. या आप यहाँ नहीं, वो वहाँ नहीं. घर चला रहे हैं भाई आपके लिए.
सही बात है.
I mean, what the hell? So I think it's time now to start, you know,
Looking at
changing
it,
the picture as a whole.
Yeah.
Not कि ये वो है वो है. Let's see, हो जाएगा ये भी.
पर आपके हिसाब से आज की तारीख में 2026 में बेटियों के लिए एम्पावरमेंट का असली मतलब क्या है? Is it financial independence or education or having a voice or agency, or is it something
It's a
deeper?
combo of the lot. You can't just be educated and keep quiet and sit at home. You can't just be say I'm financial and therefore I will not do the other stuff. It has to be a mixture. I read once something very cute. Indra Nooyi, who's the head and CEO and chairman and boss of Coca-Cola and all in America, she says, there I am sitting in this huge, big conference meeting, whatever, and my phone is ringing and I'm not picking it up. Finally, I see it's my mother. And I say, I'm in a meeting, will you leave me alone for some time? She says, on your way home, pick up milk for the kids. She said, later on, she said, but my husband and all of that, you're there. She said, no, it's your job to take care. She said, all of a sudden I realized, and she said, I did it because that's what moms are.
Yeah.
I mean, even today, if I'm told to go pick up this, I think by default or by habit, I would say, okay, because it's for my kids. You know what I'm saying? It's something just as you could be who you are in your workplace. So it's a combination of this and it's that what makes you whole.
No, but ये आपको थोड़ा भारी नहीं लग रहा है कि social conditioning ऐसी है that women are expected to do it all?
It's not expected. Like for example, sometimes they wish to also do it. Expectation hai over here, but try cutting yourself off from that. You just try yourself. Whether your husband or your mom or your dad or your family, somebody tells you, do this for your daughter and you, or don't do this, you somehow say, okay, I have to do this for my daughter.
Correct.
It's not, it's out of, कहते हैं ना हिंदी में ममता. So I feel it's more than that where the kids are concerned.
Yeah.
A lot of other things, yes, I think everybody should learn to take care of themselves, get their own pani, put up their own lights,
Yeah.
usko bulao, ye karo, ye uthao, that everybody, men have to start taking. But the rest, I think just where it comes to kids, it somehow comes very, very...
Naturally.
Yeah, it just
we are
comes to
made like
you.
that.
Yeah, I don't have to be told how it is. My children call me Jaya Bachchan from K3 जी. मेरे को तो पता है, ये कहते थे घंटी बजती घर में, स्कूल से आते थे, फोन बज रहा होता था. They said when they're doing something, she again calls to say, is this okay? Is this happening? What happened? She said, you're like a weirdo. I said, yeah, but I think that's अपना umbilical cord.
Yeah.
वो नहीं कर सकती.
यही तो ना, इसीलिए बोलते हैं women are complex characters.
Yeah, they crib the lot and they do it also. करना भी है, बोलना भी है,
But
सब
we
कुछ करना है.
have our own rules around it. कि
Yeah.
हम बच्चों के लिए करेंगे, सबके लिए मत expect करो ये. That's a mamta, but
Yeah.
there's no patita.
पतिता चाहिए कि भाई आपने को मम्मीता दो ना तो पतिता मिल जाएगा.
हाँ,
tit for tat.
बीवीता दो हमें.
हाँ, वो आपको टिट फॉर टैट है. बच्चों की बात ही कुछ हो रहा है.
लेटेस्ट अगर मैं आपके स्टेटिस्टिक्स देखूं, 5418 प्लस लड़कियों को आप सपोर्ट कर चुके हैं
हाँ, पढ़ा चुके हैं.
एजुकेशन.
Yeah.
पर जब आप ये नंबर देखते हैं, प्राइड तो ऑफ कोर्स फील करते ही होंगे, रिलीफ फील करते होंगे, बट टेल मी अबाउट द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. भार भी तो महसूस करते होंगे कि इतना है आपके ऊपर और आगे लेकर.
Tell you the truth, I've never expected anything at all in return. आई जस्ट टेल माई ऑफिस जस्ट टू कीप अ ट्रैक कि उनकी लड़कियों का नाम पता कि कभी भी कुछ ज़रूरत पड़े लाइफ में, यू नो कि बेटी हैज़ बिन अ थिंग. एंड देन आई लाइक द प्रिंसिपल्स द टीचर्स आई स्पीक टू. काफ़ी लोग तो वो कह रहे हैं ये जीएसटी ऑफिसर, इसको नौकरी मिल गई है, इसको सेल्स टैक्स मिल गई है,
Yeah.
ये एमबीए कर रहे हैं, ये डॉक्टरी पढ़ रही है, इसको ना जेडब्ल्यू मैरिड टोल्ड मी कि इफ़ वी वांट वी कैन गिव जॉब्स टू योर किड्स हु एवर ग्रेजुएटेड. तो मैंने फॉर्म भेजे हैं. सो आई मीन लाइक दिस देयर इज अ लॉट व्हिच इज, बट देन आई डोंट कीप ट्रैक आफ्टर दैट. आई जस्ट फील they meant to be living happy lives.
पर कोई ऐसा आपके पास आया है क्या वापस, वन ऑफ द बेटी?
Yeah, some of them have spoken to me. They come to me and they tell me. This one story was this girl. We cried. I don't know if she's there today, but how she was. I mean, what she went through, what her family, how they were kids. पैसा नहीं था रहने को सहने को. मम्मी पापा ने कहा था घर बैठो बेटा, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. और एक दिन आई and today the way she's blooming and कहाँ कहाँ पहुँच गई है. मतलब applying for scholarships. So you feel and you say okay very good now. But I don't want thank yous. अदर थैंक यू के चक्कर में तो बाहर ज्यादा हो जाता है, वो तब भूल जाओ. हुआ अब यू. आई टेल द प्रिंसिपल ऐसे जो अच्छा नहीं करता विद रिजल्ट्स, टेल मी दोज नेम्स बस.
हाँ.
उनको अगले साल इधर पिटाई होगी और नहीं होएगा. दोज आर डूइंग वेल, लेट्स सपोर्ट देम ना बिकॉज दे सीरियस अबाउट स्कूल. तो मेरी खाली वो वेरी क्लियर है कि किस किस ने अच्छा नहीं किया, गिव मी द रिजल्ट्स, दैट्स इट. एंड देन दे गेट स्कैर्ड एंड दे वर्क हार्डर. सो इट्स समहाउ आई थिंक वही चलता है. बट no, I don't want to, you know, it's too much of a burden if I have to have people come and tell me कि क्या 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 कैसे.
Also overwhelming, I think. अभी सोच के ही I think आप overwhelmed हो रहे हैं कि.
Yeah, it's a little, yeah, but चलो अच्छा, somewhere someone is living a good life.
Yeah.
अच्छा सी families का बहुत फर्क पड़ता है families को. जो family निकल नहीं सकते तो all of a sudden एक बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, they moving on, they're doing better, फिर दूसरा, you know, it's kind of becomes a huge, it's like a
Ripple effect.
Yeah, just one after the other kind of a.
Very nice. It's Women's Month, Women's Day. As a woman, आपको एक औरत होने के बारे में क्या चीज सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है और क्या चीज सबसे खराब लगती है?
I तो love life. अब क्या अच्छा, तो सब कुछ अच्छा, खाना पीना घूमना फिरना गप्पे मारना.
औरत होते हुए
ये औरत होते तो होता है यार, ये आदमी लोग बोलते हम नहीं करते, करते हैं. I तो enjoy all this. Sit with my girlfriend and I have a ball. That is what I enjoy. मेरे को कुकिंग मत कराओ. My kids tell me कि मम्मा is the worst cook on planet Earth. ऐसे बेटा 10-12 साल अकेले रही हूँ, खाया है ना कुछ, तो कहते कि you can't cook. उनको पूछो व्हाट मम्मी डू, कहते हैं ये उठाया कल की सब्जी परसों की दाल इकट्ठा करके वाओ ईट दिस विद सोया सॉस एंड विनेगर.
अरे but that's what now different cuisines are now. Bold.
They don't understand. They're not so with it, you know.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I am.
I think we are cooler.
Yes. No, I'm nothing. No, I have no complaints about man, woman, about being a girl, not nice, or woman, not, you know, loving it, hating it. No, I can't think of anything.
But then आपके लिए जब ये इतना अलग नहीं है and it has to be same, आप पहले से भी बता रहे हैं कि आपके लिए you always felt like opportunities मिल रही हैं also because आपको इस तरह का बचपन दिया गया है, इस तरह के opportunities मिले. But then जब Women's Month, Women's Day के आसपास लोग आपको आकर के बड़ा congratulate करते हैं, जब आकर के आपको बोलते हैं Happy Women's Day, आपको तब और लगता है कि नहीं?
Yeah, what the hell, man? Happy Women's Day. छोड़ो ना, move on. हाँ, that is a very अजीब चीज. Happy Women's Day एक दिन उठा के 10 साल में Happy Women's Day. Nah, no, not my scene at all. लगे रहो. Seriously, I'm telling you honestly, I've never thought of it as a one-day event. You understand what I'm saying? It's just that it's happening in life, as and when, wherever, whoever, whatever. And Beti gives to hospitals and we give to schools. And I've had a lot of hospitals when I say I'm sending some Beti, Dr. Lula's clinic, Kokila Ben, that Critique, all of them when I say I'm sending from Beti, they give discount, they cut away 50% right away. And they say, okay, send them, we'll do it. So a lot of people, whoever know, are in their own way there with us.
मुझे आपके सबसे बड़े जो सपोर्टर्स रहे हैं, आपके साथ रहे हैं in the last 20 years of your journey with Beti movement, वो बताइए कौन कौन?
एक है आनंद पंडित लोटस, एक है रमेश तुरानी, ही इज विद टिप्स, एक संजय अरोड़ा डी डेको, राकेश रोशन, another gentleman called Ravi Arya from town, and one Mr. Shyam Jatia also in town. I think the Padamji paper mills, all of them. These 5-6 people को तो मेरे को सोचना ही नहीं पड़ता.
अच्छा.
I pick up the phone. I said, please, मुझे मेरी जी मदद चाहिए या आनंद जी ये खर्च से. They don't ask where what. बेटी के नाम चेक आता है and it's given out.
Wow, so
There's
good.
no questions asked. So whenever I get stuck, sometimes I needed for some shoes for them or some books for them. I didn't have to tell them why I wanted it. I said I want for Beti. In 5 seconds, the money came. So that is there.
और इस साल जो बेटी फैशन शो हो रहा है 22 मार्च को मुंबई में, उसमें कौन है जो कि रैंप पे वॉक करते हुए हमें दिखेंगे?
92 stars are walking. मेरे लिए सब stars हैं, सब ने हाँ बोला है, सब giving their time, energy to be there and talking and supporting us. मेरे लिए all are.
But tell me a few names ना, so that
क्यों?
I'm excited.
अच्छा, lot of people are walking. There, see the industry, तो television. I won't take any name because all of them, your top 15, 20 serials, you name on-screen couples, off-screen couples, all are a part of it. Then, you know, there are a lot of friends and family. Poonam Sinha with her son, Rakesh Roshan with his daughter, Ramesh Turan, matlab, all of them, there are a lot of people who are Javed Jafri, Rumi, Shashi. I told Shashi to walk with me finally once.
Oh, so
He's
nice.
agreed as of right now. So there are a lot of people walking. There are young, old. I've had all kinds. I've had lawyers walk. I've had doctors walk. There are a lot of people. So when you see them, you'll say, "Oops, okay, I know you."
Yeah.
You know what I
correct,
mean? So it's
correct.
like, so they're all there walking.
So ये ticketed है, लोग कैसे आ
No
सकते हैं?
ticketed. It's we just invite people and we just say if you can give a donation for Beti. Beti has ATG, Beti has 12A, CSR certification. So anybody wants, you're getting your write-off, you're getting your receipt. Everybody has to give us with a PAN card, Aadhaar card, जो भी है, उसके without that we don't accept donations, and it's good for everybody.
So अगर जो लोग हमें सुन रहे हैं, now they want to be a part of बेटी movement, कैसे जुड़ सकते हैं?
They have to get on to betimovement.in, our website, fill up the form and give your number, somebody will call you. I'll tell you why this is important. Somebody started sending money through our website, 2 रुपए, 3 रुपए, 5 रुपए, 6 रुपए, 10 रुपए and then एक 500 रुपए. Cyber police blocked our account. Then we said, why you blocked it? Apparently this particular person had sent to 25-30 लोग, उन्होंने सबका करा किया because सब लोगों ने लिंक खोला, उनका अकाउंट खाली हो गया.
Oh God.
Luckily for us, Beti doesn't have online digital banking. We have to go the traditional way. So I'm saying, therefore, we don't give information. Send your number, we'll call you. और आप बोलो कि मेरे बेटी के नाम चेक भेज दो at the address, and the addresses are online, and with your PAN card copy, and good to go. That's it. Yeah.
Perfect. So here's looking forward to Beti Fashion Show जो कि हो रहा है on the 22nd of March. I will be on the ramp as well. So सारे
Yay.
updates के लिए you have to stay tuned to Radio Nasha and Fever FM. और उसी के साथ में thank you so much Anu
Thank you,
for
Ruchi.
doing this, for having something like Beti Movement. ये समझ पाना कि हमारी सोसाइटी हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, ये बहुत जरूरी और बहुत बड़ी बात है. इट्स अ रियलाइजेशन जो हम सब लोगों को होना चाहिए. अगर आपके पास में कुछ प्रिविलेज है, why not share
Absolutely.
it?
If you can do something for anyone, why not? Yeah, I agree with you. Very important.
Thank you so much for doing it and for being an example, for being an idol for all of us.
Thank you.
And happy Women's Day to you.
ये देख ले. चुप. Happy every day to you is better.
Happy being a woman to you.
Yeah, that I love. That I'm very happy. You can wear nicer clothes, put lipstick and go out. I'm happy doing that.
Yeah.
Done.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.